Hello everyone, today we are here to talk about how to get buy one get one free plus tax flights through Southwest. That's right, we're talking about the Companion Pass. I'm going to show you how to earn it for almost 2 years. Just about nearly 2 years of buy one get one flights. Alright, and I'm going to tell you what this is. I'm also going to tell you the catch. Of course there's a catch. We know there's always a catch. The catch is it's hard to get. It takes effort, but it is very much doable. I've done it. I'm going to show you how you can do it too. And if you don't know, my name's Michael. This is Nurse Michael Travels, here where we talk about award travel, saving money, and travel plans. So let's get into it. All right, everyone. So this is a 2-part series of the ultimate guide of the Southwest Companion Pass. This is all about what it is and how to earn it. The next part is going to be about how to use it and all of its different functions and all the sweet perks about it. So let me spell out the deal just one last time for y'all. So if I earn the Companion Pass, I get to bring Maddie, my fiance, with me on that flight that I paid either with points or cash. She gets to ride with me without any additional points for just $5.60 one-way domestic. And so that's a $11.20 round trip flight. It's a pretty sweet deal. How to get it. So it takes 135,000 Southwest points. It's a lot of points. It's gonna take some elbow grease to get that, but there's 3 things I need to note about that before figuring out how to get those points. One is that you don't need it in your account all at once. It's not like you're paying 135,000 points to get the Companion Pass. It's you earn it, you have the 135,000 points to use for flights, and you also get the Companion Pass. So that's pretty dope. Second thing to note is you get 10,000 points not to spend, but towards the 135,000 required. You get 10,000 points just for having one of the credit cards. And now it doesn't accumulate, so if you have 2 of the cards, you do get 20,000. You only get 10,000 points for being a Southwest card holder. And then 3, once again, it has to be earned within a calendar year, January to December. So if you start in August, you earned 135,000 points by next August, but it's split between 2 years, you didn't get all those points. You got 60 and 60 or 70 or however much. And so it has to be all earned within a calendar year. So timing is huge with this. Okay, so we need to earn 135,000 points. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you all the different ways to do so. First way, and the most common way, and the easiest way of doing so is by credit card sign-up bonuses. There are multiple Southwest credit cards and they come with some great sign-up bonuses. But let's talk prerequisites first, or people who aren't able to participate. Include those if you've received a Southwest bonus on either personal or business card. You can't have received a bonus within 24 months. So if you've done that in the last 2 years, you'll have to wait until 24 months from when you received that bonus before you're eligible for another sign-up bonus with that card. Secondly, you cannot receive a Southwest card by Chase if you're over 524. What I mean by that is Chase has an application rule to where basically if you've been approved for 5 credit cards from any source, they will deny your application. And now it's not a foolproof thing. I'll have a video ready for you eventually about the nuances of this rule, but if this applies to you, you've had more than 5 credit cards in the last 24 months, then you aren't able to apply to a Southwest card, which is offered by Chase. Okay, with the credit card sign-up bonuses, Southwest has multiple personal cards and a few business cards to pick from. It honestly doesn't matter which one you pick. There are some ones that are better than others. I'll come up with another video for that for y'all, but what's important is the bonus. Now there's 2 strategies. You can earn 1 fat bonus with the personal card or business card and then work your way up to the 135,000 points from there. Or you could get 1 personal card and 1 business card, and with those 2 sign-up bonuses, more often than not, you'll get the full amount of 135,000 just with sign-up bonuses alone. So like we said, timing is key. A lot of these times the sign-up bonuses have spend X amount within 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. More often it's 3 months. So you have to finish that spending requirement for the sign-up bonus in January. So you get the bonus points in January to count within that calendar year. So you're gonna be wanting to apply to these cards late October, early November, in my opinion, to be safe. So that way you can earn the bonus in January for sure. Just so we have a clear understanding as far as how to navigate these sign-up bonuses, let's go through a previous year's sign-up bonus around Companion Pass season, as we call it. All right, follow along with me now. I'm about to spit some math at you. So I have to spend $12,000 with 3,000 within 3 months. So I have to spend $12,000 to get 100,000 bonus points. So once I spend that $12,000, I'll have a minimum of 112,000 points plus the 10,000 I get for having a Southwest card. So I'll have 122,000 points, and I'll need an additional 13,000 points to get the companion pass. So I'll show you how to earn those 13,000 points pretty easily. Just stay tuned. In the meantime, if you've liked what you heard so far, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel to help keep this going. But let's get into option B here. Option A was just the personal card route. Option B is combining the personal with the business. Now the business card sign up bonus usually hovers around, you get 80,000 points with $5,000 spent over 3 months. So option B would look like coordinating your applications and your spending so that you're applying for maybe a personal card in November and the business card in December. You've got the $3,000 you need to spend for the personal card and the $5,000 that you need to spend for the business card. Completing those both within the next year in January or February to get all those bonus points at that time, and that'll get you past the 135,000 points that you need, only for a total of $8,000 spent versus the $12,000 spent with plan A. So you see there's pros and cons to these plans here. Does your brain hurt? Let's take a water break. Alright, so real quick, let's talk about how the heck we're going to spend $12,000, because we ain't made like that, man. We ain't paid like that. So here we go. We're going to pay rent for everybody. I'm going to pay my rent. I'm going to eat up that 3% fee. It's going to be worth BOGO flights for 2 years. Pay my rent. I'm going to pay my friend's rent. I'm going to pay my other friend's rent, and they're going to pay me back. So that's A. You could buy gift cards for the Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and all the other restaurants that you're going to go eat at anyway. You're going to have to do some pre-planning. Get the gift cards at the H-E-B first instead. You're going to invite all your friends and family to a big dinner at a restaurant. You're going to pay for that tab and send them a Venmo request afterwards. You're going to prepay some expenses. You know, you're going to put your electricity and all your other bills on your card. You could prepay your insurance for 6 months or annual fee instead of the monthly fees instead. You could pay for other people's expenses and their big bills and have them pay you back if you got friends and family like that. You could pay part of your tuition using credit cards or your children's tuition. And if you're one of those folks, you could pay your tax bill with your credit card as well. And now I know some of these things come with a fee using the credit card versus the debit card. That's kind of up to you, your math, and your conscience as far as if you're okay eating that fee to earn these big sign-up bonuses. So that's a way to rack up spend on your credit cards in order to reach the $12,000 to initially get those sign-up bonuses. But it's a lot to do that if you're trying to reach the extra $13,000 for option A that we talked about before. Luckily, there's ways to even earn additional points on top of the actual dollar amount that you spend, and we're about to cover those now. Option A, of course, is Southwest flights. You get at least 6 points per dollar for any cash fare that you use on Southwest, so you can obviously earn a decent amount of points with flights. However, we're in the business of not paying for flights, so we'll move on. Another option is to book a hotel through Southwest.com. You go to their website, you go to book a hotel. It's powered by Booking.com, so there's actually some pretty good deals. And you can earn up to 10,000 bonus points by booking a hotel stay through there. We personally use this to earn a few or several thousand points to get to the companion pass whenever we were earning it. Southwest also has a shopping portal to where if you go through this shopping portal, whether you go to the website or you download the Chrome plugin extension and click through there before checking out on online retailers, you can get multiple points per dollar by just spending through their shopping portal. Similarly, they also have a dining portal to where if you link up your credit card, and it doesn't have to be your Southwest card, any credit card to their dining portal and then visit their participating restaurants, you'll also earn multiple points per dollar based on how much you spend at those restaurants. Sometimes you'll see that they'll have bonuses either with sign up or by leaving a review. Similarly, they have these similar types of bonuses with the shopping portal. Those 1,000, 2,000 point bonuses don't count towards the companion pass most of the time. However, sometimes you may slip through and they may count. Another big way to earn points that count towards companion pass is through referral links. So by referring other people to sign up for the Southwest card, you'll get either somewhere between 10 to 20,000 points per sign up. It just kind of depends on what promotions they're running at that time. You can also book car rentals through southwest.com. However, I don't think the bonuses are as lucrative as if you were to book flights or hotels, and so do so at your own choice. And one final way that isn't really spoken too much because it's kind of hit or miss is Chase often runs quarterly bonuses on their various credit cards. What you do is you go to chase.com/mybonus, insert the last 4 digits of your card, your last name, hit submit, and it will tell you if you are eligible for a spending bonus. Sometimes they'll have random categories like earning 5x points on gas, or sometimes they'll have a mini bonus of 2,000 points after you spend $1,000. It just kind of depends. So always check to see if you're eligible for that. I typically check at the beginning of each month. So there's a whole bunch of different ways to earn a crap ton of Southwest points. So just some last caveats, some things that don't work. Transferring points from Chase does not work as your 135,000 points that you need. And then also you cannot buy Southwest points for it to count towards your companion pass as well. And just for fun, there is the traditional way of earning the companion pass by flying 100 one-way flights within a calendar year. And then you'll also earn your companion pass that way if you choose not to earn 135,000 points. And boom, there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to earn your Southwest Companion Pass. Look at that, guys, we made it. If it's the season and you're ready to apply to a Southwest card, I would deeply appreciate it if you use the referral links in the description. And then please comment down below some of your favorite things that you learned in this video or anything you need clarification on. I'd be happy to see you down there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.